Hello, I'm T. Hoffman. I'm the managing principal here at Law Strategy Coach, and welcome to another 2-Minute Tuesday. I got a call today from one of my coaching clients who has been doing virtual seminars/webinars for the past 2 years. I suspect most of you have been doing virtual webinars or seminars as COVID has really intruded and interrupted all of our lives. The question was, now that COVID is almost over, hopefully, do I go back to doing these in person? And my answer to her was no. The reason for that is that she was actually able to get several more clients by doing these virtually than she was by doing them live and in person. Now, obviously, there are benefits to doing things live, but virtually, if you do these things well, you can get a lot more response from people, and it's so interactive, and many times people are not as willing to interact in person as they may be online, especially if you use a chat feature or you open things up for questions. So how do you make the most of these webinars? First, you've got to make sure that you send out at least that first hold the date, maybe 6 weeks in advance. Go ahead and offer an early bird discount when you send out the hold the date, and make sure you have a really catchy webinar title. I use Headline Checker, I think is what it's called. So look that up to make sure that my headline is pretty catchy for my webinars, because it just gets more attention. You want to make sure once they register for the event that they get a confirmation email. Obviously, you want to make sure they can put the calendar link in their Outlook calendar or whatever calendar it is they happen to use. So make sure you use something like that. The third email should be the email reminding them about the event. That's important. People forget. They, may get busy, or they may have an appointment or a court date that comes up. And about 50% of all of your registrants aren't going to attend because of those scheduling conflicts. But go ahead and remind them of the event. Then the day before, or maybe 2 days before the event, send everybody on your list, whether they've registered or not, a reminder email about the event. Believe it or not, people will sign up, 2 days before your webinar. Not everybody's a planner. Sometimes people have things that were planned a month before, but now their calendar has opened up and they can attend your event. So that's important as well. And then finally, you want to follow up with everybody who attended and even those who did not, and let them know what they missed. Send your slides, send a recording of the webinar, send the key highlights, whatever it is that you need to do to make sure that they remember what they missed, or as a reminder of what they actually saw. Again, your bio is important. Make sure you're including that in one of these emails to expand your credibility. Let them know that you're the person who they need to listen to about this particular subject. Now, I will tell you, as we go past COVID, these may not become as effective. People may want to get back together, but right now I would stick with virtual versus in person. I hope this information is helpful to you. Please reach out to me by email at t@lawstrategycoach.com, or make sure that you check out our online training to learn more about our upcoming webinars and seminars, as well as to get some great online training at a great cost. That web address is lawstrategycoach.thinkific.com. Again, lawstrategycoach.thinkific.com. If this is helpful to you, please like it, share it, and subscribe to all of our 2-Minute Tuesdays. Thanks so much and have a fantastic week.